My name is Vihan and I'm 10, and I would like to know how animals evolve, like they get different features.
Hello, my name is Zachary Cohen. I'm a graduate student here at UW-Madison in the Department of Entomology, and I study rapid adaptation in an insect pest to insecticides. So the question is, how do animals evolve and develop traits? And this is pretty much the foundation of evolutionary biology. Whether it be animal or plant, bacteria or fungi, there was one organism that gave rise to all those types of life. All those different types of life are products of selection on behavioral or physical traits. And this natural selection was first described by Charles Darwin in On the Origin of Species. And at the time, he didn't understand the molecular mechanisms for the selection, but he was able to observe this trend. And that trend is called change over time. What this describes is variation at the most basic level of your cell. So the foundation of variation is based on your genetics or alterations in your DNA. And we call that a mutation. And there are different types of genetic mutations that can arise in an organism. You can have a single DNA change from one to another, or you can have whole sequences of DNA or genes either go away completely, which is a deletion. You can have them duplicate, which is a replication, or you can have differences in how those genes are made into protein. So any one of those mutations can alter an organism's traits or phenotype. These traits are heritable, meaning that an organism that has a beneficial trait or a trait that gives it a little more success than its relatives will be more fit, meaning it will be able to reproduce more successfully, and its offspring will possess that beneficial trait, and the animal's environment will determine how healthy or successful that animal is. And a healthy and successful animal is able to reproduce, and its offspring will inherit those successful traits as well.